Bit of just revision today, and here is a sparkly square because we are talking about squares or squaring things. So you'll often see this little symbol here, which in this case is the number 3 squared, or 3 to the power of 2. Now what it means when you see a squared is it actually means the base number times itself. So 3 squared is actually referring to 3 times 3, which is 9. What squaring is not, it's not timesing by 2. So 3 times 2 is 6. Obviously, I'm quite different to 9. And where the term comes from is, if you remember when we were doing our areas, is that when you are working out the area of a square, so say if this side was 3 centimeters, to work out the area of a square, you times the side by itself. So it's 3 squared. And so, of course, that would mean that the area of our square would be 3 times 3 equaling 9 meters squared. So whenever you see this little square thing, just remember that you're doing it like a square. And if you kind of look at that visually, so if you can see that 2 squared, 2 lots of 2 is 4. 3 squared, 3 times 3 becomes 9. 4 squared, 4 times 4 is 16. 5 squared, so on and so forth. And then this also applies to, you can keep going. So for example, 3 cubed, or 3 to the power of 3, 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27. 4 cubed would be 4 times 4 times 4. I'm not going to work that one out of my head, but you get the point. And then, of course, if you wanted to go backwards, you need a calculator for this one. You see a term, the square root. So the square root of 25, what they're asking for is what 2 numbers times together equal 25, which of course is 5 times 5, which is equal to 5 squared. The square root of 25 is 5.